and now that you understand the JVM, let's move on to the next step and talk about the Java Runtime Environment, that is the JRE. This is the engine that brings Java applications to life on any operating system. The JVM in itself is the abstract machine which is responsible for running Java code, but JRE is something which you are going to install on the operating system wherever you need it. At its core, the JRE contains the JVM. That is, JVM is part of the JRE which runs your Java bytecode on any platform. It also includes a set of pre-built libraries, ready-made tools for file operations, networking, GUIs, and data structures. And it bundles the supporting resources which are needed to make sure your applications run smoothly end-to-end. You will find JRE used in places like banking software, enterprise applications, Java-based desktop tools, especially on end-user machines. Now let's quickly go through the key components of the JRE. First, we have the JVM itself, which executes the bytecode, manages memory, and handles garbage collection. Then comes the class libraries, offering reusable functions so the developers don't have to write all of the code from scratch. And finally, we have the class loader, which dynamically loads and verifies classes while your program runs.